2 inches.
Only this place will be కొంచెం painful. ఇది పని వర్క్. వన్ థింగ్ అయితే ఒకవేళ మీకు దీంతో పెయిన్ అనిపిస్తుంది చేయించుకోరు అంటే వీక్లీ 2 times we do like this and later 3-4 days we have to say to like clockwise they have to do the pressure 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 same places 1 2 3 4 5. So the marma points will be activate and the blood circulation will be more. If patient comes regularly then it will be very good.
Ma'am, mic.
Sinus problem. If the patient has a sinus problem and dust allergy like that, the sneezing will come. Regular dosages. Just 1 minute, you have to do it.